Hi guys, Ben here at Cut Motorcycles. So here we have an absolutely gorgeous 2019 Triumph Speed Twin. So it's the 1200 and it's covered 600, let's see what it says, 674 miles from new. Exceptional condition, as you'd imagine. There's one little mark which I'll point out on it, but apart from that, it's like a new bike. Really nice, clean bit of kit. The only imperfection that we can find is just on this casing. All the casings are, well, as you can imagine, like new. Still all the little chalk markers from the factory. So this case in here, there's just a couple of tiny little marks. Knocked on something. But very minor, but it's there, so I'll point it out. Apart from that, it's like brand new. It's a bit tail tidy, just to smarten the back end up a bit. Seat is absolutely perfect. This side. It's all immaculate. There's not a mark to it. Tank is absolutely perfect. Forks and brakes on this side. Again, absolutely perfect. There you go, gorgeous bit of kit. All the details will be in the advert. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.